Um, this is spiced chicken thighs with garlic rice with raspberry and blue cheese salad. But me and my family did not have blue cheese. We had feta cheese instead, and we just put raspberries on the top of the salad, and the chicken is very good. The rice, you can put like some of the sauce from the chicken on the rice, so it has more of a hit to it because it's more pale without like the sauce on it. And that is good. And we also didn't have any parsley on it. And it was very good. And this is not wine. That's all.